Yo, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we'll talk about black Gundams that you need to include in your collection if you like dark color Gundams. So, this is not a top rating video that I used to do previously, but this is just a recommendation of which kind of block or dark colored Gundams that is best to include in your mobile suit collection. So there I got here my first recommendation, which is the Gundam Strike Noir or Strike Noir in French pronunciation. So it's a very nice scheme of black, gray, and some red and yellow accents mobile suit, which is very nice to include in your collection if you got so many tiresome, eye-fatiguing protagonist color scheme of mobile suit, which looks like the Philippine flag. Okay, so this black color Strike Noir here is better to include in your collection. So speaking of the Strike Noir, I got here also the Astray Noir or the Black Astray. So this is a very nice kit from MJH, which is the metal build version for or the metal build copy for the Strike Noir or Astray Noir. So there, it's also good. Same scheme with the Strike Noir Gundam, which has the gray, black, red, and some light gray accents, which it's very stunning if you include in your collection. After that, I got here the 1/100 scale Amatsu Mina. So it's the Astray Amatsu Mina from Gundam Seed Astray. This has a very interesting color scheme of black, gold, and some red accents, which is very elegant to include in your collection. This has a striking glossy black with this very shiny gold. Makes your collection one of vibrant looks in the shelf. Okay, next is the Blitz Gundam. So this is for me, the very nice and simple kit that is color black. So mostly the kit color here is black, followed by this indigo colored gray or shade of gray with yellow accents and red accents as well. So if we say black, this is the blacker among the thing that the first three that I discussed. So this is darker compared to the three. Okay. This is a very nice kit also. If you like collecting the GAT series, for me this is the very simple kit to build, and I like the pointed things on this kit. Next is I recommend the this Gundam Age 2 Dark Hound from Gundam Age. So this is a bit piratey appearance, so it looks like a pirate. Actually, this is a pirate, and the sinister looking cape here, which act as a shield, a funnel, and wings as well, make this kit looks menacing. The lance here, the gun or shot lance thing, makes it more fearsome if you post this kit to flying pose. If you put it in action-based stand, this will really make or it will really stand among your kits. Okay, So after that, I got here the Unicorn Banshee. So this is the tallest among my black Gundam collection. Actually, this is not a black, but a dark blue colored Gundam with the uh, clear yellow psycho frames there and some yellow accents there, which makes it more fearsome and menacing. I like also the fact that this is a very tall kit, which makes it stand out if you don't have or if you lack taller kits, so it will stand out in your collection. Next to it is the Astraea Finesse, the black colored Astraea. So this is a very nice color scheme for me instead of the classic Exia and Astray color scheme and the Astraea type F, the red one. For me, this is the sleeker design or slicker color and most elegant to look at. So this dark colored Finsternis here is a perfect thing to include in your collection, your Gundam collection. And we go with the final two here. I got my Master Gundam. So in terms of sinister looking and as well as dark with some shade of evilness because of the red color and the black color, for me this is the best, the Master Gundam. The head also, the head sculpt looks like a horn of the devil, and there it really looks evil and menacing, so it's a must to include in your collection. And speaking of evil, let's talk about the Deathscythe hell. Okay, so the Deathscythe here for me is the best to include in your Dark Gundam category. The black and black color, this very deep black color, and the wingspan makes this kit very evil, and the black thing for this kit really shines out in your Gundam collection. So there, thank you so much for watching this dark Gundam or black Gundam to include in your collection. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gundam Studio saying good night. God bless. Take care.